When it comes to using drones in agriculture, performance is everything. Drones in agriculture can be used to increase farm crop yields and accurately monitor fields, while simultaneously decreasing time, labor and resources. There are many benefits to drones in agriculture, and by using professional quality components you can increase performance and efficiency. Benefits of drones in agriculture: minimize the cost of walking the fields or airplane flyover filming. Save time scouting acres and acres of crops by foot. Many drones in agriculture features specialized mapping and crop health programs. Imaging can be used to accurately see crop health. Monitoring crops via drone is much more efficient than by foot. Reduce crop damage with frequent and efficient monitoring. Performance is everything. Whether using drones in agriculture to conveniently and efficiently spray fertilizers and pesticides or for crop monitoring and imaging, performance counts. In order to get the best performance out of drones in agriculture, it's important to use the best motors, propellers and electronics. The selection of UAV propellers can be a scientific and mathematical process. Choosing well-balanced propellers in combination with brushless multirotor motors can mean greater flight efficiency and battery life, which is essential in the performance of drones in agriculture. Choosing propellers with the right pitch, length and speed are determining factors when building drones in agriculture. Especially in circumstances when drones in agriculture are used for carrying tanks and fertilizer sprayers, heavy lift motors can help improve performance. Brushless motors for heavy lift make the biggest difference in performance. Brushless motors designed specifically for heavy lift operations provide a higher thrust capacity, which is better for overall flight performance. There are many advantages to using drones in agriculture, from increased crop yield to reduced labor. Building and customizing professional drones for increased performance means using the best commercial components for market-leading durability.